guys! So today we are decorating for Christmas. If you guys saw the video for how we decorated our salon for Halloween, it's now Kristen's turn. She does Christmas. If you have not seen it, I'm going to link it down below for you guys. So we're just gonna kind of show some like behind the scenes stuff of us decorating, and then at the end I'll let Kristen kind of tell you about all the pieces and what the vision is and everything. So I don't know what this is. It's just makeup on my fingers.
Peace, Christmas time.
I was gonna say, does it go the other way? Tell me if it's needing to be shorter.
Make sure it's through the balls.
Does it need to be longer?
No, actually I think it's pretty dead even. So sick.
Kristen. If you guys are new to my channel, she is my business partner and best friend. We own Do or Die, the studio in North Carolina,
which is where we're sitting right now.
Yes. So back in October, we filmed us doing the salon suite for Halloween. That's my holiday. Christmas is Kristen's holiday, so this was her mastermind. Also, if you guys want to follow me or Kristen, both of our Instagrams will be down below. And I'll also link the other videos that we've done together.
Yes.
Because we did open the salon suite together, and I documented that whole entire journey.
Yes.
So, I did most of the talking during Halloween, so I'm just going to let Kristen take the lead.
I'm going to pass the mic over. Alright, so this year, I wanted the theme to be sort of minimalist and lots of really pretty metallics, kind of glam. Last year we did the most, and it was pretty traditional. So I want to switch it up. I wanted it to look different in here. I think the big focal point is actually right over us. It anchors our mirror, and it's this really pretty rose gold and silver bulb garland. That was a pain to hang, but we got it up.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It looks perfect.
We've used so much fishing line.
There's so much fishing line.
Opened this place, like, and we just keep using it.
Yeah.
So that's what we used to.
Who knew? I never would have thought that like that's something we needed if we owned a business, but that and command hooks have saved our lives. So we did that, and then I bought other ornaments that are in the same color schemes. We have some silver sparkly ones, and then some other rose gold like shiny ones that we kind of bundled together, and we like used black ribbon to tie them together, and then we brought in the black with the singular black floating glitter ornaments, which I think is kind of cool because our space is mostly blacks, whites, and golds, and it just sort of marries everything together. We actually had crystals hanging above another mirror last year. Both of us are super obsessed with sparkle.
Yes.
So we decided to like do the absolute most and hang crystals from our garland, because who doesn't want to be draped in that? If we can't have a chandelier in our space,
We're gonna create something
we
similar.
could have one over our mirror with our garland. So we did that. That was pretty cool. Took a minute to get going, but once we got going, it was there. We also brought in some cute little bottle brush trees for our retail, just to kind of liven that up. And they're cute. I love them. I love a brush tree. Last year, same as this year, we have 2 stockings over here on the counter for me and Sierra, you know, for people just...
So if you guys want to throw a couple doll hairs in there.
Go for it. I think last year we put each other's gifts in there. It was really cool. And then that brings us over to the long mirror, which is on this wall, which has these little gold crystal fairy lights that I found at Walmart randomly, not even in the Christmas section. It was like with the lamps.
We've got to get more batteries because we had this giant bag of batteries from when we had different lights on our actual mirror.
Yeah.
And they're all pretty much dead. So like the new batteries in one pack were like so bright and the other 2 strings were like
so weenie and you're like, this is a no.
So that's why they're not on
they're
in
not
this video, but they will be lit up.
Yeah, originally those were supposed to go in the window, but they're not long enough to like span the whole thing, which is kind of weird.
So
they're really
just
short.
Like 3 sides would have been lit up. And we're
so
like,
they said, we'll put it on this mirror, which was gonna have nothing, but now it's got that, and I like it. It works.
It works well.
So we have back here, we have our giant gold deer that is probably, I think that's actually my favorite one because it's so large and just, he looks so cool.
Large and in charge.
Yeah, I love him. I always have. That's up year round, in case you guys don't know that. But we actually draped, when we opened, we bought this like this iridescent like crystal jewelry chain that I think we were gonna use somewhere else, and then we never did. So
I
we
can't
actually
remember what that was gonna be
I think
used
we were gonna trim the frame in it because I think we wanted to be that extra, and then we just didn't do it. So we had it for forever, and then I dug it out of my Christmas bag and kind of put it on that guy, and we both kind of love it. So that's probably gonna stay.
We're probably gonna keep that for sure.
Looks like he's going to Coachella. That looks so cool. And then the last thing we did is the window over here. So instead of lighting it up this year like we did last year, because you have to like have a million battery packs and they're a total eyesore to look at. We just went with some really pretty clear bulbs, which I think is kind of cool. It's modern. It adds something to the window without overpowering the curtain that we always have there. Just a little something something.
Yeah.
A little something. But that's about it. We wanted to go really simple this year. Simple, glam, not overpowering.
Still took us 4.5 hours.
Took us forever. But mostly the garland and the bulb situation, because like the black ones are individually hung.
Yeah.
Like, individually hung. That took forever.
We did use command hooks though this year.
Yes.
Last year we just kind of like used either like thumbtacks or wrapped it around the metal beams that were in the ceiling, so this was a little faster.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is how we decorated our Christmas salon.
I kind of love it. I think I like it better than last year.
I like it.
I like that there's less going on, actually.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
So you come in, you kind of see everything, and
you're not slapped in the face with Christmas.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, become a part of my family. I'd love to have you on my little channel. And I think that's it. So
yeah,
we'll see you guys, or I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.